Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create or make Yahoo email account. Some provide full guide. So simply at first open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser. Go to search option, search set to Yahoo sign up. Then you get create a Yahoo account. Press on. Then you get this dashboard. You just fill up this form, enter your first name, and enter Yahoo email address. Okay, and enter the strong password. If you want to check this, press on I option, then check your password, or you just take this screenshot, select date of birth, month, press on next, enter your phone number. For verification code must be entered to WhatsApp number. Press on get code on WhatsApp. Enter the verification code. Press on next. Press on to close. And new tab, go to search option, search set to Yahoo login mail. Press on, and I'm log out the old account. Press on use another account, and I'm recently create this account. Press on next, enter password, next, press on allow. Okay, all right. Now successfully create and log in this account. So that's it.